So we're back to science. A really cool and fun experiment for you to try today. And once again, just like the other experiments we've posted, you don't need a whole lot of material. So this is really, really cool to try at home with your family. Okay, all you need is a water bottle, empty. I pulled the label off. You need a funnel. That will make things a lot less messy, trust me. And in this bowl I have some baking soda. Okay, and who knows what this is? What is this cool thing? I think I heard you say balloon, and you know what? You're right, it's a balloon. Okay, and then right here, pull this one in. You know what this is? Did I hear somebody say water? Well, it looks just like water, but you know what? I'm going to put it right here. Take a big sniff of it. You smell it? Here, I'll take a sniff. Whoa, wow. It reminds me of Easter right now. This is vinegar, and we are definitely going to use it in this experiment. Okay, so our goal for the experiment is to see if we can have this bottle blow up this balloon using these ingredients. What do you think? If you think we can do it, clap your hands. Yes. If you don't think we can do it, everybody say boo. Oh no, boo. All right, let's give it a try. So step one of the experiment is, this is the part you have to be the most careful on. Okay, we're going to carefully pour vinegar into the bottle. We're going to pour it up about 1/3 of the way. So I think we're going to try and go about there. Okay. Take your time when you pour because you don't want to spill it all over and have your house smell like Easter for the rest of the year. All right. I'm going to add a tiny bit more because I like to live dangerously. Okay, cool. That there. All right. This is ready to go. So I'm going to set it aside because I don't want to knock it over. All right, next up, we're going to take the balloon and put this end of the funnel into this end of the balloon. Okay, just like that. And now comes the fun part. I'm going to take spoonfuls of baking soda and drop it right into that balloon. You might have to do a little shaking and hold it right here where the funnel and the balloon meet. Otherwise, you might have an explosion of your own if the baking soda goes flying around. Okay, so you just tap it on in there, and you can start to see down here the balloon is starting to get full. So you want to fill it about 2/3 of the way. That means almost full, but not completely full. Okay, here we go. Get it down in there. Okay, and if you need, you can use the end of your spoon to kind of help it get in there, because sometimes funnels like to clog up. That's just them being cranky. Okay, keep going. Sorry, I had to step out for a minute because I got a major clog in there, so I needed to get a little skewer to help. Okay, so that's a nice tip for you. Maybe keep a skewer on hand in case you get a baking soda traffic jam in that funnel. Okay, so let's fill it on up. Okay, this is pretty cool. I'm getting so excited. Do you think we could blow this up? Okay, let's move that aside. So I have my balloon almost full. I'm going to pinch the end of it. Pinch, pinch, pinch. This is one time when pinching is okay. And now here comes the fun part. Bottle, vinegar. Do you think you can do the job and blow this balloon up? What do you think? All right, so very carefully. This is where you might need mom or dad or an older brother or sister to help you out. So you're going to take the top of this bottle, right, just like that. We're going to get the balloon on the top of the bottle. This is where having two people do the experiment might help. Don't worry, that crinkling noise is okay. All right, I got it. All right, now you want to make sure you get it securely on there, because let's be honest, we don't want to have an explosion all over, right? Okay, now I'm going to hold mine on there just to be extra safe, because science is very cool and interesting, but you always want to make sure you're safe. All right, so you see now I have the balloon. Part of the balloon that has the baking soda is off to the side. So when I'm ready, then I'm going to lift the balloon up, still hold the top on, okay? Hold it so it's stuck to the top of the bottle. And then let's see what happens. Okay, are you ready? Let's do it together. Let's do a countdown from 10, all right? 1, 2, 3. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Stand back. Shake it on in there. Oh! Oh my gosh. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is the coolest thing ever. Can you hear it? Look at it. Oh my gosh. Look what's going on inside the bottle. And can you see what's going on inside the balloon? What is happening? Okay, things seem to be settling down. Whoa. Oh my gosh, guys, we did it. We did it. All right, let me see if I can detach it now. Carefully. Put that there because that's kind of cool to still watch. Look at this. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, science is super cool. Okay, now comes the really cool learning part of it. Do you know what made this happen? 2 words. It's called a chemical reaction. Say that with me. Chemical reaction. Yes. So what happens is baking soda is also called a base. And vinegar has a science name called an acid. And when acids, like vinegar, meet up with a base, like baking soda, they have what's called a chemical reaction. So cool. So they work together, vinegar and baking soda, acid and a base, and together they create a gas. And the gas is called carbon dioxide. And what carbon dioxide does, just like any gas, it needs a lot of room, and it takes up a lot of room. So when this vinegar and this baking soda, our acid and our base, combine to create the gas carbon dioxide, that carbon dioxide is like, yes, thank you for creating me. I must grow and I must expand. And so look what it did. As we had the reaction in the bottle, all of that carbon dioxide bubbled up and was cheering, yes, wildly, I'm gonna go, I've gotta grow. And it grew from the bottle and it expanded up into the balloon to blow it up. Oh my gosh, isn't that awesome? It's so awesome. Science, super, super cool. Okay, if you try this at home, take a picture, take a video, have some fun, all right? And enjoy creating chemical reactions. Thanks for stopping by. See you soon. Bye.